Here we are under Tim's Falcon.
And
there's a plethora of interesting
ready?
U-joints.
U-joints are completely bad on this one.
There's your part of your vibration.
And
this little bit of hokey bullshit.
There's no cushioning. Oh, wait. There is a cushioning mount in there, but it's not hooked to anything.
Yeah, this is weird.
Shouldn't that have been like a strap style? Wrap around strap and then bolt down?
We're going to find the right thing for this.
Yeah, let's get that taken care of. This is a beautiful car.
This is sketchy though right here.
Oh, yeah.
But yeah, no, the engine and everything is really nice.
While we're here.
No, those mounts are good. They're brand new.
Yep.
Yeah, no, that's all good. This
Yeah, those look, it's beautiful.
Scotty, this car's very fresh. Up. Yeah, they all drool a little bit. He just come at like 200 miles though.
It shouldn't be leaking from the oil filter seal. That's straight out of the oil filter seal.
Yeah, it's a little loose. It's fine. Compared to the other things. Okay. Up here, the fuel pump looks a little, but it's right on this, going up to the carb, the outlet. That just needs to be resealed up. That's easy, no big deal.
Yeah, so we got a little bit of sealing.
A little seepage up there, probably from the valve cover.
Which is exceptionally common, but that's
easy. Well, it's no big deal right now. But yeah, this is bad. I'm also not a fan of this, Tim. That's probably part of our problem too.
And
is there witness marks?
No, but if we did it right and found a proper bolt,
for
short. No, not for the seatbelt.
Yeah, but it'll go in the seatbelt hole.
Yeah, we can go through and pull a clamp here to hold it away from...
To pull it away from the drive shaft.
So then, do a gentle wiggle on that for me for a minute. Okay, so we definitely need to...
Pull it that direction.
Yeah, just a little bit to hold it.
Just a skosh and it'll hold it and support it. Okay, so we'll make a little mount for this.
Rear shocks are gone.
Well, we're replacing all the shocks on these.
Oh, okay, I didn't know that was on the list.
Because it's just four that...
Oh, gotcha, yeah.
But yeah, these U-joints, they gotta go.
Yeah,
U-joints, this pinion seal's leaking too.
Yeah, it is. It's leaking pretty good too.
All right, we got a short list already, Scotty.
Yeah, we do.
So we'll get with Tim on that. He has a sway bar next door for this too, for the front, make it drive a little better.
Ooh, nice.
Because it has this little piddly bullshit. He's got a nice
And if you look, those bushings are already spanked to next Tuesday.
You like being spanked on Tuesdays.
Well, hey, Tuesdays are a good day, but then again, any day that ends in Y.
Is a good day for a spanking?
Well, I don't mind spanking people.
We're inappropriate and it's fun.
Yes.
Steering box is a little scuzzy.
Now, the one thing I'm curious about is why do we have a...
That's for the fuel line. There, Fred Sanford.
But it's not holding anything.
Well, Fred Sanford probably owned it beforehand. Because there's supposed to be a clippy right here. Let me see. Yeah, look, there's a clippy there that's broken. Broken fuel line clippy.
Okay, so then we do this only because that's the type of person I am.
Are you just going to use that wire
I'm going to use this wire and I'll make a temporary hold
clippy
for it till we can get a clippy.
Good job. You're an engineer.
Shh.
I know.
Don't tell anyone because then everybody will expect it.
If we knew you were an engineer, I'd have to pay you more.
I know, right?
Fuck that.
Tell me about it.
Like, I have to eat too, you know? Jesus. Scotty gets paid before I get paid, so. He eats before I eat.
I mean, if nothing else, that'll just hold it for the moment so that it doesn't go bouncing all over the place.
Yeah, because we don't want to break a hard line.
No.
That goes to the fuel tank. That's not fun.
Correct.
All right, so we can do a little figuring. We definitely need some U-joints. So I will get a little quote together. We'll get this over to you, Tim.